South Sudan 2 Bafana 3. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale game le. Ngizoqala ngama-positives ale game le. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga, the game was really nice. Both teams abekhona, ama-team o2 abedlala ibhola. Yizi Bafana ibingenhla, ibilibamba futhi ibhola Bafana idlala lawo ma-one touch, but iSouth Sudan ibishaya lawo ma-counter attack and ibimnandi futhi nangama-set piece. I-defensive partnership le Bafana yanamhlanje okungezana benoDudley, uRashun Dosley lo we-Kaizer Chiefs. Leya combination leya na isayintsha. Ngiyabona ama-cracks kuleya backline leya awekho right. Namhlanje i-backline yethu isikhostela amagoli awu2. Yabona leli goli lesibili abalishayile naleya penalty leya. Ungezana bengamele lo amdlali azamdonse kanje. Ungezana laphana benomdawo emuva igoli lesibili. Umdawo yeke ibhola, ungezana uyadropa early. Ibhola lingafiki uyadropa early, ibhola liyaqoma liyamdlula. Mase beyakhahlela. Yabo ku-expose uChina lapho. uChina ayikho into bezoyenza lapho uChina. Ngiyabeza abantu abaningi bathi lela bhola belilula, but uChina bingekho into azoyenza because ama-defender akamfailile. And another thing about that game, first half yakhona besingenhla. Yabo sithe sesibuya ku-second half ingikhumbuza igame asesidlala neRwanda. Lapho khona iRwanda yashaya khona sidlala le away. Ipitch yakhona bekuyile pitch le ekuthiwa artificial pitch. Ngosikhathi kunet ubonile iSouth Africa ukuthi istrugglishile ngosikhathi kunet. Sastrugglisha sagcina sesiyitholile iset piece. Iset piece ke uqhamukile umfana umbatha wenza ayibukwayo waphinda akwenze le Orlando Stadium. But angifuna ukuqamba amanga, yabona lo mjida lo uApolis. Apolis is one of the best players abakhona right now bama-wingers. Yabona i-winger, this is a proper winger. Mengikhuluma ngomdlali ngempela uyi-winger la eSouth Africa, this is a proper winger. Lo mjida udlalile namhlanje. Yabona futhi lo mjida lo kuthiwa uMokwana namhlanje ube-off. Yabo uMokwana ube-off namhlanje beno-Ikram Rainers. Angazi kwenze njani, but nje ucoach bekumele asheshe abashintshe labo badlali bawu2 because uthe sekuphuma labo badlali labo wayibona igame isiqala manje yakhona yize engasheshanga ukuphuma lo mjida lo uMokwana. But nje overall game Bafana istrugglishile kule game le. Bengitshela ukuthi mina la sizoshawa noma kube i-draw, but I'm glad sibuye nawo 3 points, sisoba na 4 points. Abafana kumele bakwazi ukudlala ndawonye bajwayelane because yabona lento lo series reshuffle scheme ayikho right. Umvala samdinga abuye lapha emuva, ngathi angalula amabuyelo umfana benalo mjida lo Williams naye ngathi angashesha abuyele because Bafana indlela edlala ngayo namhlanje ububona ukuthi bakhona abadlali abashodayo kodwa bona bayadlala, but you can see ukuthi there are those players who are missing in the squad because mase competition le Bafana le nale yange AFCON ayifani yabo. But angifuna ukuqamba amanga bakwazile ukudlala under tough conditions ale eSouth Sudan. eSouth Sudan ithe iqala nje ifirst half yakhona belishisa ngempela ilanga. Kwathi second half imvula binetha ngempela. So big ups to the players bakwazile ukumelana nama conditions angekho right abangawajwayele. Ucoach namhlanje uhlulekile ukushintsha ngesikhathi, but ke Bafana iwinile. Umbatha mela athole more game time. Umbatha kulesa squad because usithole naye namhlanje ube kinda off, ube shake usithole namhlanje. Meqhubeka nje yenza kahle umbatha uzogcina seyithola i-stats. Uzogcina seyithola i-stats la kule Bafana. Imaphi wena ama-negatives nama-positives owabonile ngale game le? Awubheke ngiphambanisa Umrena abanalo mjida lo Mokwana. Umrena uyena oyiqalile igame. uMokwana naye wangena nge-second half. Yabona nje iside labajida labo bawu2 li-off iside labo, samdinga umdlalo ozodlala ngale. Phambili siyitholi i-supply, i-striker phambili siyitholi i-supply. So bengishaya imistake ngalo mjida lo. Lo mjida lo benoMokwana bawu2 namhlanje bayidlala indima yabo as ama-right winger namhlanje bayiprovadanga lento ade siyifuna. And coming back to the game, ama-officials ale game abebeta. Ngifuna ukuqamba amanga ama-officials ahlulekile ukuyicontrol igame. Yabona nje thina mhlambe yabile game siwina u4-2 nge-first half kube khona leli ibhola leli Bafana bithi yalikora isizoshintsha igame, bithi yalikora lasha isandla. Yabo ngosikhathi lishaya isandla ulinesman ayibonanga ukuthi i-penalty leya, no ref abonanga ukuthi i-penalty leya, kodwa thina as fans we saw ukuthi bekuyi-penalty leya. Ama-VAR mela abe khona kuyizime kanje. I-CAF lento leyo ukusebenzisa i-VAR kuyaFCON kuphela iyabheda kumele bawa implement nama VAR kuma stages akanje nakuzodlala igame right mfethu iBafana Bafana biwine ngo 4-2 kule game le.